Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best heat press machines on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're starting your own small business or just looking to create custom gifts, I've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the AST&T Heat Press Machine 12x10 Portable Easy Heat Press. This compact yet efficient heat press is ideal for beginners and hobbyists. With a 12 by 10 inch heating plate, it offers a decent size for a variety of projects, including t-shirts, tote bags, and even blankets. The package includes a safety base, user manual, and transfer vinyl sheets to help you get started right out of the box. The design is lightweight at just 8.6 pounds, making it portable and easy to store. The 3-layer heat-resistant construction ensures safety, even during extended use. The heating is evenly distributed thanks to its 4 pressure-regulating springs and double-tube construction. While it doesn't boast advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity, its simplicity is its strongest selling point. Just set the time and temperature manually, and you're good to go. For the price, this is a great entry-level option. However, it does lack some of the advanced automation found in higher-end models. It's perfect for light-duty tasks and occasional use, but might not be the best choice for high-volume production. Pros include its affordability, portability, and ease of use, while cons include the lack of advanced features and smaller heating plate size compared to other models on this list. At number 4, we have the AST&T Heat Press 12x10 Smart Heat Press Machine with built-in Bluetooth. This model brings a modern twist to heat pressing, featuring Bluetooth connectivity and an accompanying app. With the app, you can set precise temperature and time settings based on your project, making it an excellent choice for tech-savvy users who want added convenience. The 12x10-inch ceramic-coated heat plate heats up quickly and evenly, ensuring consistent results every time. The machine is lightweight, weighing just under 8 pounds, and its compact design makes it easy to store. Safety is another highlight, with certifications from UL, CSA, and FCC, as well as a triple-layer heat-resistant construction to prevent overheating. This model is designed for versatility, handling everything from t-shirts to pillows and tote bags. While the Bluetooth functionality is innovative, it may not appeal to everyone, especially those who prefer manual controls. Additionally, the smaller heat plate size may limit its use for larger projects. However, if you're looking for a heat press with a blend of modern technology and ease of use, this is a solid choice. Pros include its app-based controls, safety features, and lightweight design, while cons are its limited size and potential learning curve with the app. Coming in at number 3 is the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2. This model is designed for users who need more control and versatility in their heat pressing projects. One standout feature is the adjustable pressure, which can be customized up to 170 pounds, making it perfect for a wide range of materials and project types, including heavy items like hoodies. The 15 by 15 inch heating plate provides ample space for larger designs, and its dual-tube heating engine ensures even heat distribution across the surface. This model also features an increased heating height of up to 1.77 inches, allowing you to work on thicker materials. The automatic pressing and release function is a time saver, letting you multitask while the machine works. Safety hasn't been overlooked either, with an auto-off feature that activates after 15 minutes of inactivity. On the downside, this model is bulkier and heavier than others on our list, weighing in at 47.4 pounds. It's not the most portable option, but it's perfect for users who prioritize functionality over mobility. Pros include its adjustable pressure, large heating plate, and automation features, while cons are its size and weight. At number 2, we have the Vevor 8-in-1 Heat Press Machine. This versatile model is perfect for creative professionals and home businesses. The 15 by 15 inch heat plate is coated with Teflon, making it non-stick and ideal for a variety of applications, including t-shirts, mugs, plates, hats, and more. The 360 degrees swing-away design ensures even pressure distribution and reduces the risk of accidental burns. What sets this model apart is its dual-tube heating technology, which minimizes temperature differences across the plate for consistent results. The digital control panel is intuitive, with a dual-screen display that lets you switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Safety features include dual insulation technology, which keeps the machine's surface cooler to the touch, even during extended use. While the Vevor heat press offers excellent value for its price, it may be overwhelming for beginners due to its numerous attachments and features. It's best suited for users who need a multifunctional tool for diverse projects. Pros include its versatility, robust design, and precise temperature control, while cons are its steeper learning curve and heavier weight. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.